Good morning, children, and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself, Anjana Dikshit from New Area, Senior Me. Children, this video is for class 8, and our next topic is Vipin Chaudhary Lapse of Memory. Now, children, have you ever forgotten something? Do you ever experience lapse of memory? Now here's a lesson which is about the suspense of lapse of memory. You will enjoy this lesson, it's very interesting. Now, before explaining the lesson, let me tell you something about the author, about the writer of this lesson. The lesson is written by Satyajit Ray. Now, have you ever heard about this writer? He was very famous and Indian writer. He was the only Indian filmmaker to receive the honorary Academy Award for Lifetime Achievement. He is widely regarded as the greatest filmmaker of 20th century. He made films, wrote critics, and he was also a publisher, illustrator, calligrapher, music composer, and graphic designer. The story which we are going to read is full of suspense. Here we'll read how Vipin Chaudhary had lapse of memory. It's very interesting, children. So listen to the story. Forgetfulness always puts you in tight situation, isn't it? Now, but forgetting a part of your life completely may drive you crazy. In this story, Vipin Chaudhary goes nearly crazy because he cannot recollect his stay in Ranchi. He has never been to Ranchi. He insists, though there are many witnesses to this who can prove that he had gone to Ranchi. Now we'll read the suspense in this story. Every Monday on the way back to work, Vipin Chaudhary would drop in at Kalicharan's New Market to buy books. Crime stories, romantic stories, ghost stories, thrillings. He read many different kinds of books. He had to buy at least 5 at a time to last him through the week. He lived alone. He never lived with anybody. He was not a friendly manner. While seeing books in Kalicharan's book, he noticed that someone was seeing him from the backside. So he turned towards him and looked that a man was looking, who now broke into smile. Bipin Babu said, "Who are you? I don't know you." "Have we met before?" asked Bipin Babu. The man looked greatly surprised. "We met every day for the whole week. I arranged you for a car to take you to the Hundu Falls in 1958 in Ranchi. My name is Parimal Ghosh. Don't you remember that?" Parimal Ghosh asked Vipin Chaudhary. Now Vipin Chaudhary realized that it was not he, but a man who was making a mistake, because Bipin Babu had never gone to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" The man raised his eyebrows and said, Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Bipin Babu was turned towards the bookshelf and still he was remembering that I have never met this man. But the man was telling him and he was giving him proofs that he had gone to Ranchi. When Bipin Chaudhary refused that he had never been to Ranchi, Parimal Ghosh laughed and said, "What are you saying? You had never gone to Ranchi? Don't you remember that? I had booked a car for you and you had gone to Ranchi. You also had a cut on your knee. You can see that. Now I'll give you a proof that someone else whom you also know is Dinesh Mukherjee. Do you know him? Dinesh Mukherjee, you said you didn't like hotels food and would prefer to have your own cooked meal. You said that. Do you remember it? So I arranged you a bawarchi who used to cook food for you." Now Bipin Babu thought. He didn't turn to Parimal Ghosh and looking at his own books, he thought, "Which month are you talking about? In 1958, which month you are talking about?" Parimal Ghosh said, "In October." Bipin Chaudhary refused that. "No, I never went anywhere in October. I went to Kanpur last year. In 1958, I was in Kanpur. You are making a mistake, so please don't disturb me." Who said this? Bipin Chaudhary said this. Then Parimal Ghosh said, "How strange, I had tea with you one evening. Don't you remember that? And while taking tea, you spoke about your family, that your wife was no more and you had a 10-year-old son. You said that you lost your wife 10 years before and you had no children. Didn't you say that?" When Bipin Babu paid the money to the shopkeeper, he went from that place and he was thinking who that man was, because he could not recall that man. He was not recognizing that man. Clear, children? Now next part I'll explain you in the next video. That's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe and read this lesson carefully.